Yo, and Vanessa have been scouring. Let's see what they got on social media.
All right, Sarah J. Lawrence Seram, a Brad Squad VIP member. What's the current timeline like for an adjustment of status?
For a marriage, it's about a year, depending on what state you're in.
Marianne Azavik, Brad Squad VIP member. What does request of evidence mean? I filed for an I-765 renewal 7.5 months ago.
Request for evidence means that they need additional documentation that you didn't submit with the original application.
Crystal Perry, Brad Squad VIP member. Should I file my adjustment of status before sending in my other documents?
No, file all your documents with your adjustments simultaneously.
Chatan Tande on YouTube, can I file an I-485 application if my 03 extension is pending and I-94 is expired?
Yes, but you still got to get the 03 approved. Don't forget that.
Daily Wiser on YouTube. My asylum case was referred to the court due to material inconsistencies. Will it be treated as a brand new case, or will it depend on the asylum officer's notes? The applicant has some mental issues.
It'll be a new case, but it's got to be consistent.
Ginger Juice on YouTube, how long does an I-612 waiver for a J1 take based on hardship to U.S. citizen spouse? I filed in July this year.
Well, you would file the waiver with the adjustment, and then they got to adjudicate it after you go for your interview. It'll take longer than to juice some ginger, I guess, right?
Ginger juice, yeah.
Right? It'll take longer than a juicer. Each case is different. Sometimes it's approved on the spot. Sometimes it's approved several weeks later. Sometimes you may not hear for a year.
KNS Natural on YouTube. My case has reached NVC, but is not yet eligible for a visa. Priority date is March 2018. It is for my unmarried daughter over 21, class F1. What's the time frame for a visa appointment?
What's the priority date?
It is March 2018.
You got at least 2 or 3 more years.
Leslie Benoit on YouTube, if I have been divorced from my wife for more than 2 years, will I be eligible for VAWA cancellation of removal? The divorce happened because of abuse.
You may be eligible for cancellation, but you're not eligible for the VAWA.
Kongwa Endahas Uba on Facebook. I applied for citizenship on April 19th, 2020, and I still haven't received an answer. Can I reapply or not?
No, just wait. 2020?
Yes, April 19th. Applied for citizenship, April 19th.
Well, you may want to do a mandamus at some point.
Okay, this one's a little lengthy from Anthony Flomo on Facebook. I was married to a U.S. citizen and got my 2-year conditional green card. We jointly filed an I-751 for my 10-year green card before my 2-year green card expired, and they gave me an extension. My wife filed for divorce while this application was pending, so I did an I-751 waiver after the divorce. They gave me a stamp in my passport while my I-751 waiver is pending. I am traveling to the United Kingdom to see my sick mother. Will I face any problems re-entering the U.S. with just the stamp in my passport?
No, the stamp is an I-551 stamp, presumably, and that's a temporary green card. And, I would say enjoy your trip, but I'm sorry about your mother.
Okay, CE User on YouTube. Can a TN visa holder have dual intent?
No. In other words, a TN visa has to have the intent of returning to Canada or Mexico, depending on where they're from. So you can't come on a TN visa, for example, it's like coming on a visitor's visa and then getting married the next day and adjusting your status. That's misrepresentation.
Yes.
A TN visa can change to an H-1B, and that has a dual intent.
Natasha Baburam on YouTube. I received my approval letter over 45 days ago and still haven't received my green card. What should I do?
Wait for the mailman to come tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be there. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.